Hey guys, welcome to our channel, and in this video we are going to talk about how you can fix origin not installed error in FIFA 2025. Simply, you have to open the EA installer, again EA games installer, and here it is. And you just need to do is, this is a launcher. Now here you can find the three horizontal line button at the top left corner. Simply click on it and simply click on settings, and from here you can find the application section where you have to simply turn on this auto application updates. Make sure that this is actually turned on, and from here you have to simply do is enable in-game overlay and then accessibility. Then these three options is turned on. Then you should do is you have to simply right click on this your taskbar, then simply you can find the task manager, and from here you have to find the EA. So here it is. Now simply click on it and right click on EA. Here it is. Here it is. Now simply click on end task, and it will close EA from your background of your device. So then you can relaunch your EA game launcher. Then you can try to log in again to your FIFA 2025, and hopefully this issue will be fixed. So that's how you can just simply do it. Hope you got this. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and thanks for watching. Till next time.